Hey, yeah, you clicked on this for a reason. So let me be the one to say it. This is your reminder to eat right. That's it. That's the video. Well, almost, because you already know this one. You don't need a doctor to tell you that vegetables are good for you, or that the same takeout 3 nights a week isn't. So this isn't a lesson. You've heard it all before. This is just a reminder, the kind we all need every now and then. And today, it found you. Because here's the thing about your health, it rarely breaks in one big moment. It's the small choices, repeated. The skipped breakfast, the "I'll start Monday," the late night, then another one, the meal you grabbed because you were tired. Again. None of it feels like much on the day, but your body is keeping score, quietly, like an accountant you forgot you hired. So consider this your reminder. Eat right, and you already know what that mostly looks like. More of the things that don't come with a barcode. Vegetables, fruit, beans, whole grains, water. Protein that keeps you full. A little less of the fried, the sugary, the salty, and the snacks that vanish before you've even sat down. Not zero, just less. Real food most of the time. Sleep right, so your body has the time to repair itself for the day. Those 7-8 hours aren't a luxury. That's the night shift your body works on you. Move right, and no, that doesn't mean a gym membership you'll renew by February. It means a walk, taking the stairs, stretching, dancing in your kitchen if that's your thing. Your body was built to move, even a little, most days. Find the version of it you'll actually keep doing. And live right. Breathe, rest, and give yourself a break. Not perfectly. Nobody does it perfectly, just more often than not. Because so much of what we treat later, the blood pressure, the blood sugar, the heart that's quietly working too hard, so much of it starts years before it ever shows up, slowly in the way we eat and live right now. We can't avoid every illness, but so many of the common ones, we can push them further away just by how we live today. And that's the good news. If today can quietly work against you, today can also work for you. Every good choice is a small deposit, and they add up. So if no one has told you today, eat something that loves you back, drink the water, go to bed. Your future self is paying attention, and if a face came to mind while you watched this, the friend skipping meals, the one running on caffeine and 4 hours of sleep, send this to them. Sometimes the reminder lands better when it comes from someone who cares. I'm Neka. Follow @medwithneka, and remember, a little knowledge a day keeps the panic away.